Alright, we're going to do some fillets and chamfers. So once you have a 3D object extruded, and you're getting to this point where you may want to finish off some of the edges, some of the key components are fillets and chamfers. So big thing here, make sure that you're in the right folder when you're saving your progress. And we're going to go here and just draw a simple rectangle. Then in the Modify tab, there is a chamfer and a fillet. Okay, so the chamfer is straight edge. Rounding the corner is used with a fillet. Okay, so here I'm just going to click on the point, one of the corners. You can adjust this value in and out with the arrow, or you can type a specific value in. The chamfer, you can click on a couple different types of them. Okay, some can be equal from one edge to the other based on the point. Okay, and some of them will have an angle involved. Okay, so you pick a distance back and then you can tip the angle. And then notice here, if I go too far and I intersect with that rounded edge, it kind of deletes it. Okay, so you can't overlap these. So not only can you do this with the 2D sketches, you can also do this with a 3D object after you've already extruded it. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to draw a fresh rectangle to work from. Okay, so I'm just going to start here with my rectangle. I'm going to extrude it out. And then notice here when you're in 3D mode, right, when you're working with the body, there's a different set of tools, but you still have fillet and chamfer here at the top. So if I want to fillet an edge, just click on it and see that I can round it over. There's a couple different options here for looks wise. Depending on how you curve it, you can adjust some of these settings. Okay, and a lot of these work when you have multiple edges connected. Okay, so here I'm going to do multiple edges. You can see how that rounded edge changes. And if you go too far, you always can chamfer the whole thing or fillet the whole thing. Okay, so here I'm getting in on the chamfer. With this one, notice there are a few different edge types. Plus you can also do the angle here. So where the point meets. There are some options. Okay, and just like the 2D drawing here, I can take my chamfer, I can angle it with the other style. And you can also have combinations of the two, right? So I'm going to round this edge and I can leave the other edge with the chamfer.